Jedsy delivers life-saving medical supplies in Malawi. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Drone delivery company Jedsy is employing its innovative drone technology to serve countries like Malawi, which lack the infrastructure to receive necessary medical supplies. Jedsy delivers crucial, life-saving supplies, such as blood, medicines, and vaccines. The company's first drone office in Malawi has been active since last year, with its team of 7 building and operating Jedsy drones independently. The team is constantly expanding due to the increased demand for deliveries. Jedsy's delivery drones are able to complete what would normally be a 185-minute-long delivery in only 34 minutes. The drones are on average 2.8x faster than ambulances and provide a cost savings of more than 50% compared to the current expenses for the Ministry of Health in Malawi. With a patented loading and landing station, the Jedsy drone is the world's first and only decentralized solution in the drone delivery market, able to land directly at a building as well as take off from it. This technology allows for deliveries to be made directly to a window or balcony, a considerable advantage over other drone delivery services which either drop packages or require an open space to land. The demand for fast, secure and reliable deliveries is becoming increasingly important in our fast-paced society, said Jedsy CEO and founder Herbert Wayrather. Our approach at Jedsy is therefore always product is king and customer first. Therefore, our requirement for a delivery drone is to outperform the status quo. So we managed to develop an advanced delivery drone because we can land and charge directly at the building, for example at the window or balcony. This way, our customers don't have to free their packages from trees because they landed there by parachute, and they don't need a garden where the drone can land. Open the window and get the parcel out. Nothing more. The Jedsy team has set a goal of 50,000 deliveries in Malawi for 2022. Read more commercial drone news at DroneLife.com.